In this video, we are going to see how to create a Steam account. For creating a Steam account, go to the browser and type create a Steam account and go to the official website of Steam. This page will appear. In this, you need to enter your mail ID. This is the first step for creating your account. Enter your mail ID and confirm your mail ID. So if you already have the Steam account means you can directly log in, and if you are new to Steam means you can give your mail ID and the country of residence, can give your own country of residence and agree the terms. Once agreeing, after click continue. The concern verification is going to a concern mail ID, so you need to go to a mail ID, open it and verify it. Once verify, after it will automatically redirect to the username and password section. You need to give your username and password. After giving it, you can go to the login page of Steam and can log in it. Thank you.